Hey guys, it's Kevin. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this EOS 6D Mark II. 6D Mark II was announced in June 2017 as a predecessor to the original Canon 6D that has been announced way back in 2012. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this bad boy and yeah. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So here we go guys, unboxing the brand new Canon EOS 6D Mark II. So upon opening the box, you're gonna get the manual. It's recommended to read this for beginners, or you can just watch any tutorials online. And we've got your power cable, your charger, and then your LPE6 battery that has 1,865 milliamperes that could last up to 1,300 shots. And you've got your regular Canon strap. So getting to the main event, the camera body. Gorgeous. Take a closer look. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you're not gonna miss any tutorials, camera reviews, and more unboxing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!